Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health and taking great care of yourself. And I hope you all enjoyed Makar Sankranti. Right? Now let's get back to our class. For English, I am Fatima Kulsawala from Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar, and I welcome you all to our English class. As we started Unit 5 Man and Machine, the first section, that is the diamond maker, right, in the previous video, and we also completed that much portion in our live class. So just brief you about it, what we have already studied. So the diamond maker, this is a story about a person who makes artificial diamonds, and while making that he goes from riches to rags. Normally a person who is poor becomes richer after successing, but over here in making artificial diamonds, somewhere around this person is not able to earn much that he is able to sustain, or he doesn't earn that much of living. Now he comes into contact with the narrator of the story, right? And with him he talks about all these things which happened to him. And the narrator over here is not able to put trust into that person, because the way he is dressed up and the way he talks or the way he speaks about diamonds is totally opposite. So he is not able to believe. In fact, they also talked about the person who is the diamond maker. He goes on saying that he can sell the diamond for around 100 pounds, which is quite bigger in size. And the narrator is very suspicious about it, that if it is a real diamond, then how could he be selling such a precious diamond which could cost around $1,000? How can he sell it for just $100, right? So now let's move on to the next paragraph. So I request you students to open your textbook, page number 116, right? So let's see over here. He talks about the diamond which is made through artificial procedure. So over here the diamond maker is going to describe that procedure. So let's read. We would be starting from here. How did you get it? I asked again. I made it, was his reply again. So when the diamond maker was ready to sell that diamond for just 100 pounds to the narrator, he again asked the diamond maker that from where did you get it? And the man again replied that he made it. I had heard something of Mouzon, but I knew his artificial diamonds were very small. I shook my head. So the narrator knows about the artificial diamonds, as we already studied before, that he studied a science degree in which he got the knowledge about physics and mineralogy, right? And that's why he is able to find out whether the thing which was given to him was a diamond or it was something called corundum. But what does he say? कि जो artificial diamonds होते हैं that are quite small. And he knew something about Mouzon. Who was Mouzon? It was he was a French chemist and Nobel Prize winner. He attempted to make synthetic diamonds. Synthetic मतलब artificial diamonds बनाने का उसने try किया था. Okay, now let's see. You seem to know something about diamonds. The diamond maker is saying that you have some information about diamond. Who? The narrator. I will tell you a little about myself. Perhaps then you may like to buy it. So the diamond maker decided to tell him or give personal information about him. And after that, maybe the narrator might get convinced and he may buy the diamond. He turned round with his back to the river and put his hands in his pockets. He sighed. I know you will not believe me. So he again turned towards the river and he started talking. And he was quite sad because as the narrator was not putting trust in him, so again when he started speaking about himself, again he said that he won't be believing him. Diamonds, he began, are to be made by throwing carbon out of the combination in suitable flux and under a suitable pressure. The carbon crystallizes out not as black lead or charcoal powder but as small diamonds. So अभी वो क्या कर रहा है, he is showing the procedure, right? और वो procedure क्या है, that up to a suitable pressure the carbon is taken out of the combination of suitable flux. Flux का मतलब क्या होता है? It means a chemical mixture. So there are some compounds or there are some metals which are which are mixed over there, and from that the carbon has to be taken out, and the carbon has to be taken out at that pressure at which the carbon crystallizes. Crystallizes मतलब solid particles के form में आ जाता है वो, and not as a black lead or charcoal powder. वो powder के form में नहीं, लेकिन क्रिस्टल, छोटे छोटे जो क्रिस्टल्स होते हैं उसके फॉर्म में आ जाता है, and those are called small diamonds. Now I was surprised. He was talking like an educated man. He continued, so much has been known to chemists for years, but no one has yet found out how to have the right pressure for the best results. So इतना सारा उसने बताया, प्रोसीजर बता दिया कि डायमंड कैसे बनाया जाता है, राइट? सो द नरेटर वॉज नाउ सरप्राइज्ड कि ये तो काफ़ी एजुकेटेड पर्सन लग रहा है, उसको काफ़ी नॉलेज है उस चीज़ के बारे में. एंड देन द डायमंड मेकर अगेन स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग. व्हाट डिड ही से? दैट द केमिस्ट नो मैनी थिंग्स फॉर ईयर्स, राइट? जो केमिस्ट होते हैं they know many things for years, but they are not able to find out that right pressure under which the carbon crystallizes and the diamonds are formed. No one has yet found out how to have the right pressure for the best results. Therefore, the diamonds made by chemists are small and dark and worthless as jewels. So, what are they saying? That these diamonds which they are making are small and dark. मतलब it's not the same as available in nature. जो हम माइंस से मिलता है जो हमें, वैसे डायमंड्स नहीं होते हैं, एंड इसीलिए उसका कोई वर्थ नहीं होता है. दे आर नॉट प्रेशियस एज ज्यूल्स. नाउ आई, यू नो, हैव गिवन अप माई लाइफ टू दिस प्रॉब्लम. गिवन माई लाइफ टू इट. दैट मीन्स द डायमंड मेकर इज सेइंग दैट ही हैज़ स्पेंड होल ऑफ हिज लाइफ, मतलब उसने अपनी पूरी लाइफ इसी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन ढूंढने में निकाल दी है. आई बिगैन टू वर्क एट द कंडीशंस ऑफ डायमंड making when I was 17. So when did this person start learning about diamond making? When he was 17, and now he is 32. One has to work hard for years. If one succeeds, hard work can get you millions. I mean millions. Matlab, the person is saying that you need to work hard for many years. You can't just get the fruit, or the fruit won't ripen whenever you want. You need to wait for that. You need to have patience, and once you succeed because of your hard work, what will you earn? You will earn millions and millions of rupees. He paused and looked for my sympathy. To think, said he, that I was about to make millions, and look at me now. So he stopped. He paused matlab he stopped for a second, and he was looking at me that I would sympathize with him. Who? The narrator would show sympathy to him because he has spent that many years for making diamond, right? And then he says, to think that I was about to make millions, and look at me now. That means he is talking about his own condition where he is not earning millions, but he is quite a poor guy who is not able to feed his stomach, or you can say he is quite poor. His clothes are into rags, and so he wants to get sympathy from the narrator. I had, he went on, about £1,000 when I was 21. I worked as a teacher. So he is telling his story, okay? वो अपनी पूरी स्टोरी जो है अभी तक की, वो पूरी स्टोरी नरेटर को सुना रहा है. सो फर्स्ट ही स्टार्टेड एट 17 दिस प्रोसीजर, और अभी वो 32 का है. लेकिन बीच में उसके पास कुछ पैसे थे. ही हैड अबाउट £1,000 बिकॉज ही वॉज वर्किंग एज अ टीचर. ही हैड अ जॉब, राइट, when he was 21 years old, and at that time he had money in his pocket. I felt that with the money I earn, I would continue my research. So he thought that in my spare time I would keep on doing my research and I would also earn money. So in that way he could sponsor his research. I studied for a year or two in the Berlin. The trouble was the secrecy. Secrecy means to hide something from someone, not in fact not someone, from the whole world over here. So उसने स्टडी भी किया है 1-2 साल बर्लिन के अंदर, लेकिन जो ट्रबल था वो क्या था? सीक्रेसी. ही कैन नॉट टेल दिस थिंग टू एनी वन बिकॉज इट वुड बी इलीगल, राइट. यू कांट मेक आर्टिफिशियल डायमंड्स. वो क्या हो जाएगा? फेक हो जाएगा, है ना. जो नेचर में मिलता है दोज आर रियल वंस, but the one which you can make it are called artificial. Why do they call it artificial? Because those are not real. And if you are doing something, such thing, it is illegal. And one more thing, if the person let us know everyone that how are diamonds made, then who would be buying it from him, right? तो उसको प्रॉफिट कहाँ से मिलेगा? अगर वो पूरा प्रोसीजर सबको ही बता देगा तो सब अपने आप डायमंड्स बनाने लगेंगे, है ना. कोई उससे खरीदेगा ही नहीं. सो हाउ वुड ही मेक मनी? यू सी, इफ समवन गॉट टू नो व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग, दे माइट हैव प्रॉफिटेड. एंड मान लो अगर किसी को बता भी देता है, देन व्हाट वुड ही से? दैट यू नीड टू गिव मी प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम योर वर्क. ओके, आई वोंट टेल एनीवन, आई वुड हेल्प यू आउट, बट उसमें भी उसको शेयर करना पड़ता. And if I really wanted to make a lot of money, it was important that people should not know that one can make diamonds by artificial process. So अगर उसको पैसे बनाने हैं, then he should not tell anyone that he can make diamonds, and that too by artificial process, and which may look real. Okay, it may look real, but those are artificial ones. But this was the problem, that he was not able to take help from other people, and so it took so many years for him. So I had to work all alone. इसीलिए उसको अकेला ही काम करना पड़ा. At first I had a little laboratory, but as my money began to run out, I had to conduct my experiments in a poor unfurnished room in Kentish Town, where I slept on straw mattress on the floor among all my apparatus. So in the beginning, when he started his research, at that time he had little laboratory. Laboratory, you all might be knowing, right, where scientific experiments are being carried out, right? But as soon as he started running out of his money, he had to conduct his experiments in the poor unfurnished room in Kentish Town. Unfurnished means the room which does not have furniture, right? जैसे कि सोफा, table, chair, cupboards, bed, right? There was nothing over there. So in the room which he rented was unfurnished, because obviously he didn't have money, right? So how would he rent such a hi-fi room? So the place where he conducted his experiments was unfurnished, and where he slept on a straw mattress on the floor among all my apparatus. Apparatus means the things which are used in the laboratory to conduct the experiment, right? जैसे कि फ्लास्क है, thermometer है, funnel and test tube, and many other things. The money simply flowed away. I did not spend on anything except scientific equipment. So the money started to flow away, and he didn't spend anything on himself. ही जस्ट यूज टू स्पेंड दैट मनी फॉर साइंटिफिक इक्विपमेंट्स, मतलब जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स की ज़रूरत थी वही चीज़ें वो लेने में सारे पैसे खर्च कर देता था. I tried to earn by little teaching, but I am not a very good teacher and I don't have a university degree. He tried earning through teaching, but he was not a good teacher. और उसके पास यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री भी नहीं थी. दैट मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट दैट मच एजुकेटेड कि उसको कोई टीचर की पोजीशन पे रखे. I do not have much education except in chemistry. He was very good at chemistry, but in rest of the subjects or his rest of the education was not that much up to the mark. I found I was spending a lot of time and energy for little money, but I got nearer and nearer my goal. So obviously he was spending more time and more energy for little money. Now if you know, if you don't have a degree or if you don't have that many skills which are needed, then you are not getting paid properly. You are going to get paid very little. And at that time he was getting nearer to his goal. कौन सा goal था उसका? To make the diamonds through artificial process. 3 years ago I solved the problem of the composition of the flux and got near the pressure by putting this flux of mine and a certain carbon mixture into a closed up gun barrel, filling it up with water and sealing it tightly and then heating it. So 3 years back उसने ये जो प्रॉब्लम था फ्लक्स का, कंपोजिशन ऑफ फ्लक्स मतलब कंपोजिशन ऑफ दोज केमिकल मिक्सचर, राइट, वो सॉल्व हो गया था है. एंड ही गॉट नियर द प्रेशर, वो जो सूटेबल प्रेशर है जिस प्रेशर पर कार्बन को रिलीज किया जाता है एंड इट फॉर्म्स इनटू कार्बन क्रिस्टल्स, राइट, वहाँ तक वो पहुँच गया था. बाय पुटिंग दिस फ्लक्स ऑफ माइन एंड सर्टन कार्बन मिक्सचर इनटू अ क्लोज्ड अप गन बैरल. So he put the flux and certain carbon mixture into a closed up gun barrel. Gun barrel means a straight shooting tube which is usually made of rigid or high strength metal, which is made up of high strength metal through which a contained rapid expansion of high pressure gases is used to propel a projectile out of the front end at a high velocity. In the same way, the diamond maker, what did he do? He filled up the gun barrel, which looks like kind of barrel if you have seen, which is used to store the liquids like alcohol or some other beverages, right? In the same way, this is a small one, and he put that flux, that is the chemical mixture, and certain carbon mixture into it, and then he filled it up remaining with the water and sealed it tightly and he started heating it. Now as it was sealed up tightly, right, where would the air which is getting heated would go, right? It is going to explode, right? If you know that. He paused. Rather risky, said I. The narrator said that it is quite risky if you are doing that, right? So what did the diamond maker say? Yes, it burst and smashed all my windows and a lot of my apparatus. But I got a kind of diamond powder nevertheless. And then I came across the work of Daubery. So when the narrator said that yes, it is quite risky if you are doing that. So the diamond maker said yes, it burst. वो फट गया and it smashed all my windows. And where did it hit? It hit all his windows and his apparatus. That means all his scientific equipments which were being kept over there, right? And then he came across the work of Daubery. Now who is Daubery? He is a French geologist known for his dangerous experiments on the artificial production of minerals and rocks. So he is a geologist who experiments on making artificial minerals and rocks. Not the one which are already present in the nature, but the artificial one. और उसका वो production करता था और इसी तरह से वो करता था. So after going through this procedure जो उसने किया डायमंड मेकर ने, उसके बाद उसने ये डॉबरी का जो वर्क है वो भी उसने देखा. he exploded a dynamite. He exploded dynamite in a tightly screwed steel cylinder, too strong to burst, and found that he could crush rocks into muck, the kind of muck found in South Africa where the diamonds are found. So the French geologist exploded a dynamite in a tightly screwed steel cylinder. He took a steel cylinder which was screwed up tightly after placing the dynamite inside, too strong to burst, and found that he could crush the rocks into muck. And what did he found out? That he can crush the rocks into the muck. Muck means, you can say, dirt or rubbish, and the kind of muck found in South Africa where the diamonds are found. So he was able to create that muck which was actually found in South Africa, जिसमें diamonds ढूंढे जाते थे. It cost me a lot, but I got a steel cylinder made for my use. So what did the diamond maker do? He got a steel cylinder for himself. It was made of same design से बना हुआ था. I put in all my stuff and my explosives, built up a fire in my furnace, and went out for a walk. So what did the diamond maker do? He just put all his stuff, that flux and all those things which he tried before also, and the explosives, and he lit the fire in his furnace, and then he placed it over there and just went out for a walk. Now the narrator could not help laughing. He was like, "Are you serious? How can you do that? Did you not think it would blow up the house?" अभी ऑलरेडी एक बार तो उसने वो चीज़ कर ही दी थी. इसीलिए जो नरेटर था, जो कब से उसको सुन रहा था, व्हाट डिड ही से, दैट डोंट यू थिंक दैट इट वुड हैव ब्लोन अप योर हाउस, एंड वर देयर अदर पीपल इन द प्लेस? मतलब वो जहाँ पे रहता था वहाँ पे क्या और लोग भी रहते थे? येस, इट वॉज थॉटलेस, बट इट वॉज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ साइंस, ही सेड. Now you can say that obviously the scientists are crazy, because if they are not crazy, they would not have invented so many things. In the same way, this person was. That he was thinking that it was in the interest of science. There was a costermonger family on the floor below. Costermonger means a person who sells fruits or vegetables from the cart or street. मतलब जो कार्ट वेंडर होता है, जो कार्ट पर सब्जी और वो सब बेचता है, राइट? दैट इज कॉस्टमोंगर. सॉरी, नॉट कॉस्टमोंगर, इट्स कॉस्टमोंगर. सो दैट फैमिली वॉज लिविंग ऑन द फ्लोर बिलो, उसके नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे. अ बेगिंग लेटर राइटर इन द रूम बिहाइंड माइन मीन्स अ राइटर हु माइट बी स्टेइंग behind the room of the diamond maker. And 2 flower women were upstairs, मतलब who might be selling flowers, right? तो 2 flower women थी, वो ऊपर रहती थी, but perhaps some of them were out. But what did he say? that शायद कुछ लोग इनमें से बाहर थे, not all of them were home. When I came back, the thing was just where I left it, among the white hot coals. The explosives hadn't burst the case. That means when he came back from the walk, he saw that the thing which he had left it on the furnace, it was same as it is. मतलब जो अंदर explosives डाले थे, उसकी वजह से जो उसका वो स्टील का सिलेंडर था, it did not burst. And then I had a problem to face. Now what was the problem? You know, the time is an important element in crystallization. Obviously, जैसे कि पहले ही बताया था कि क्रिस्टलाइजेशन के लिए एक सूटेबल प्रेशर होता है, और वो सूटेबल प्रेशर तक पहुंचने के लिए टाइम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट है. वो उस टाइम तक जाना चाहिए जहाँ पे वो सूटेबल प्रेशर पर पहुँचे, ताकि कार्बन का क्रिस्टलाइजेशन हो जाए. इफ़ यू हरी द प्रोसेस, द क्रिस्टल्स आर स्मॉल. अगर आप जल्दी ट्राई करोगे निकालने का, तो क्या होगा? क्रिस्टल्स छोटे हो जाएंगे. And it is only by continuous standing that they grow to any size. I resolved to let this apparatus cool for 2 years, letting the temperature go down slowly during the time. And by then I didn't have money and nothing to support myself. So he might have hurried over there, and that's the reason he was not able to get the thing which he wanted. And to solve this problem, he had to let his apparatus cool. मतलब उसका जो स्टील सिलेंडर था, जो भी था, right, it had to cool down. and let his temperature go down slowly during this time. So now I don't know how can it take 2 years, but it's written over here that it took 2 years to cool down that apparatus. Okay. और उस टाइम के दौरान उसके पास earnings नहीं थी. He didn't have money and there was nothing to support himself. I can hardly tell you all the hardships I faced while I was making the diamonds. So now he was so much into the he was so much inclined towards the narrator that he started telling his story, and he put his heart open in front of him. He started telling what all hardships did he face. So he's saying that I have gone through so many that I cannot tell you all of them, but yes, there are some which I can let you know. जैसे कि I have sold newspapers, cared for horses, opened cab doors. Once for a week I had no job and I begged. That means 1 week ऐसा भी गया है जहाँ पर उसके पास कोई job नहीं थी and he had to beg and eat the food. One day I had eaten nothing all day and a little chap gave me 6 pence to show off to his friends. So there was one day when he didn't eat anything, and a little chap, that means he might be a teenager, he gave him 6 pence. Now again, pence is the currency, okay, which is being used over there, just like dollars in USA. To show off to his friends, मतलब अपने friends के सामने दिखाने के लिए, just to show off that he has lot of money and he is rich. He just gave the diamond maker 6 pence. But I spent it all on coals and had the furnace bright red again. So what did he do? He didn't eat. Okay, what did he do? He just took that money and got the coal, ताकि वो वापस जो furnace है उसका वो lit कर सके. And it was the furnace was bright red again. At last 3 weeks ago I let the fire out. और 3 वीक पहले उसने क्या किया, उसका जो furnace का fire था वो उसने बंद किया. I took my cylinder and opened it while it was still so hot. I put my hands into it and I scraped out the crumbling lava-like mass with a chisel and hammered it into a powder upon an iron plate. So after letting the fire out, he took out that cylinder, that steel cylinder, right, जो पहले उसने यूज़ किया था और उस वक्त उसका काम सही से नहीं हुआ था. So this time again after at last 3 weeks ago, मतलब कुछ टाइम ड्यूरेशन होगा जो कंप्लीट होने के बाद उसने बंद किया फायर, and he opened the cylinder while it was very hot, and he put his hand in the cylinder and he started scraping out the crumbling lava-like mass with a chisel. Chisel is a kind of a tool which you can say it's like a knife which is quite sharp, and he removed all the lava-like mass. That means there might be liquid substance, not very liquidy, लेकिन जो liquid जैसा जो था उसके अंदर steel cylinder के अंदर, he just scraped it out. That means he just removed it from which might have stuck in that cylinder. So he started removing it and then he hammered it into the powder. As you know, lava like mass, that means you know the meaning of lava, right? Lava means जो rocks होते हैं because of heating which it gets under the earth, that goes into liquid form, right? The rocks goes into liquid form. और वैसे ही कुछ था जो उसने स्क्रैप किया चीजल से और फिर उसको निकालने के बाद उसको पाउडर किया अपॉन एन आयरन प्लेट. एंड आई फाउंड 3 बिग डायमंड्स एंड 5 स्मॉल वंस. सो उसको कितने डायमंड्स मिले? उसमें से 3 बिग वन एंड 5 स्मॉल वन. एज आई सैट ऑन द फ्लोर हैमरिंग, माई डोर ओपनड. ही माइट बी हैमरिंग एंड दैट माइट बी मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ नॉइस, राइट? तो उसी वक्त वो जब हैमर कर रहा था, एट दैट टाइम द डोर ओपन and my neighbor, the begging letter writer, came in. मतलब जो राइटर था, right, वो अंदर आया. He called me an anarchist and a scoundrel. Now anarchist का मतलब होता है rebel, means one who does everything against the rules and regulations. Or you can say a person who secretly or openly works against the government and the law of the land. Means there are some rules and regulations which are being followed in each and every country, and when a person rebels or goes against it secretly or openly, मतलब खुले में या फिर छुप के अगर वो किसी चीज़ को कर रहा है जो इलीगल है, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि मेकिंग आर्टिफिशियल डायमंड्स इज़ कंसिडर्ड टू बी इलीगल. सो ऐसे ही उसने उसको एनार्किस्ट बुलाया कि ही इज़ ऑल्सो अ रिबेल, एंड ऑल्सो ही used a slang word that is called scoundrel, that means villain. Villain means a bad person, right? So he told him that, and he told me that he had been prying in my room. Prying means to keep an eye on someone, secretly looking about. That means he might be spying on him. So, and he also went inside his room when he might not be home, and had gone to the police that morning. So he told ki I was spying on you, and that's why I have gone to the police, and they might be coming anytime. Okay. So students, I hope that you are clear with the story till here. We would continue the remaining portion in the next video. Take care.